Unit 2 ARM7 based microcontroller part 4. So first is the instruction set. So ARM instruction set is divided into three categories: the data processing instructions, data movement and flow control instructions. So what is data processing? The ARM data processing instruction enable the programmer to perform arithmetic and logical operations on the data values in the register. The data processing instructions are only instructions which modifies the data value. So it is data processing. ARM data processing instruction enable the programmer to perform arithmetic and logical operation on the data values. Here arithmetic and logical operations are done on the data values. The data processing instructions are the only instruction which modifies the data values. Second is data movement or the data transfer instruction. These instructions are used to copy the memory values into the register or copy the register values into the memory. Copy data transfer means here data transfer or the data movement takes place, that is data is copied from the memory to the register or from the register to the memory. Third is the control flow instruction. So here control flow instruction transfer the execution to different addresses either permanently or saving a return address to resume the original sequence. Control flow means here control flow instructions transfer the execution to different address either permanently or saving a return address to resume the original sequence. Now there are some features of instruction set. One is conditional execution. Now the conditional execution feature is also called as prediction, and it is implemented with 4-bit condition code selector. The predictor or the conditional execution feature on every instruction. One of the 4-bit code is reserved as an escape code to specify certain unconditional instructions, but nearly all common instructions are conditional. Most CPU architecture only have a condition code on branch instructions. This cuts down significantly on the encoding bits available for the displacement in memory access instruction, but on the other hand, it avoids the branch instruction when generating code for small if statement. The standard example of this is subtraction based Euclidean algorithm. There are some other features of instruction set. Another feature of instruction set is the ability to fold shifts and rotate into data processing. The arithmetic, logical and register to register move instructions so that So for example, consider the C statement as a plus is equal to in bracket j less than 2. Then it could be rendered as a single word single cycle instruction on the ARM. Now add RARG #2. This results in the typical ARM program being denser than expected with fewer memory access, thus the pipeline is used more efficiently. Even though the ARM runs at what many could consider to low speeds, it nevertheless completes quite well with much more complex CPU design. So, first data processing instructions. They are move, arithmetic, logical, comparison and multiply instructions. Most of the data processing instruction can process one of their operands using a barrel shifter. Now there are some general rules for this. All operands are 32-bit coming from the register or the literals. The result, if any, a 32-bit and placed in a register with the exception for long multiply which produces a 64-bit result, and third is 3 address format. Each of the operand register and the result register are independently specified in the instruction. So the ARM uses a 3 address format for this instruction. Now here the diagram is shown, which shows that the barrel shifter arithmetic logic unit, the barrel shifter is pre-processing and non-reprocessing is RN, which is given to the arithmetic logic unit. So instruction set, next we will see instruction set. Now here some instructions are given that move cc rd in bracket operand move cs r0 comma r1 if carry is set at then r0 is equal to r1, move r0 slash comma hash of 0, that is r0 is equal to 0, that is 0 is the value, so it will go into the register r0. Now we have already seen the conditional execution. So conditional execution, almost all ARM instructions have a condition field which allows it to be executed conditionally. So move CS R0 comma R1. Now conditions here, some condition executions are given. Carry set equal, that is conditions are given. Carry set is written by CS equal EQ, overflow set is VS greater than GT, greater than or equal G plus higher than, higher or same, carry clear not equal, overflow clear less than or equal, minus lower than, lower or same. So next is in data processing, the next type is register movement operation. So here syntax is given: instruction bracket condition register immediate register comma shift. Now here move and MVN, that is move negated. These instructions ignore the first operand which is in register movement. Here the instruction ignore the first operand which is omitted from the assembly language format and simply move the second operand to the destination, that is consider move R0 comma R2. Okay, so R0 in register, so here second operand is R2 and it is moved to the register R0. The next is MVN R0 comma R2. So R0 is equal to not R2. The MVN stands for move negated and it stores the result register set to the value obtained by inverting every bit in the source operand. What does it mean? Move negated means it stores the result register set to the value obtained by inverting every bit in the source operand. So in register movement, basically there are two instructions: move, that is move 32 bit value into the register, and MVN is move the not of the 32 bit value into the register. Not means negative value or inverted value. There are some arithmetic instructions also. These instructions perform binary arithmetic on 32-bit operands. The operands may be unsigned or 2's complement signed integers. The instructions are add r0, r1, r2. So here r0 is equal to r1 plus r2. Now what is arithmetic? Here the instructions perform binary arithmetic on 32-bit operand. The operand may be either unsigned or 2's complement of the signed integer. So the instructions are add r0, r1, r2. Then in register r0, the r1 plus r2 value will be stored. Now that is add destination, operand 1. r0 is your destination, r1 is operand 1 and r2 is operand 2. Now immediate operands. So here add r3, r3, hash 1. So r3, first r3 is our destination. So r3 is equal to r3 plus 1. 1 is hash of 1 is its value. Similarly, we can have other arithmetic instructions like ADC r0, r1 plus r2. So ADC means r0 is the destination, which is equal to r1 plus r2 plus c, that is carry. Next is subtraction, SUB r0. Similar to add, we have SUB, that is subtraction r0, r1, r2. So r0 is equal to r1 minus r2. Similarly SBC, that is r0, r1, r2. So r0 is equal to r1 minus r2 plus c minus 1, that is carry. Next is RSB, r0, r1, r2. So r0 is equal to r2 minus r1, that is operand 2 minus operand 1. Similarly with carry, rotation with carry. So it is r0 is equal to r2 minus r1 plus c minus 1. Now add is, what is add? Add is simply addition. ADC is add with carry. SUB is subtraction and SBC is subtract with carry. Now RSB, it is reverse subtraction. Reverse subtraction means operand 2 minus operand 1. So r2 minus r1. And RSC is reverse subtraction with carry, that is r2 minus r1 plus c minus 1, that is carry. Now there are some bitwise logical operations. Okay, we will see first the shifted register operands. So shifted register operands means it is a way to specify the data operation which is similar to the first but allows the second register operand to the subject to a shift operation before it is combined with the first operand. For example, It is a way to specify a data operation which is similar to first, but it allows the second register operand to be subject to a shift operation before it is combined with the first operand, for example. So here in shifted register operand, one operand to the ALU is routed through the barrel shifter, thus the operand can be modified before it is used. Useful for the fast multiplication and dealing with the list, table and other complex data structure. It is similar to the displacement addressing mode in the sys. Now here some instructions, for example MUL CLZ Q add. So here one operand to the ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, is routed through the barrel shifter. So the operand can be modified before it is used. Now there are some shifted register operands like LSL. LSL means logical shift left. So logical shift led by 0 to 31 places. Fill the vacated bits at the least significant end of the word with zeros. Second is LSR, that is logical shift right by 0 to 32 places. Fill the vacated bits by at the most significant end of the word with the zeros. Next is ASR, that is arithmetic shift right by 0 to 32 places. Fill the vacant bits at the most significant end of the word with zeros if the source operand was positive, or with the ones if the source operand was negative. Next is ROR, that is rotate right by 0 to 32 places. The bits which fall off the least significant end of the word are used to fill the vacant bits at the most significant end of the word. Next is RRX, that is rotate right extended by one place. Vacant bit is filled with the old value of the C flag and the operand is shifted one place to the right by using condition code. A 33 bit rotate of the operand and the C flag is performed. So first we will see the logical shift left. So here one register is shown and the instruction is written here is move R0, R2 LSL #2. So here R0 is the destination, R2 is the register, and LSL operation is done on the data 2. So consider R2 has a value 0x00000030. So after performing this operation, logical shift left the R2 has value register value 0x000030, and R0 register will be 0x 6 times 0 C0. So here R2 remain unchanged and the value of R0, that is the destination register value, will be changed by 2 places because it is logical shift left. So C will change by 2 places. Now next is logical shift right. So here move R0 comma R2 LSR, that is logical shift right hash of 2. Now here R2 remain unchanged and the value of destination register, that is R0, will be changed. So R0 is 0x 6 times 0 C. So here R2 value of R2 remain unchanged. Next is arithmetic shift right. So move R0 comma R2 ASR 2. So R2 remain unchanged. Now before execution of instruction, we have the value of R2 like this: 0xa 5 times 0 is 3 0. So after execution, the value of register R2 will shifted right. By using this by using arithmetic shift right, we get 0xe8 5 times 0 C. That is here arithmetic shift right by 0 to 32 places and fill the vacant bits at the most significant end of the word with 0 if the source operand was positive, or with the ones if the operand was negative. Next is rotate right.